Fuck, bud. You gotta love the fucking road system up here in Moose Knuckle, eh? This is their main drag. They tore this shit out like 3 fucking months ago. Oh, we're gonna pave the shit. No. This part ain't bad, right? I mean, like, it's on it. I mean, I could avoid this shit and take me a detour of like 7 extra fucking miles to go to the store that's like, you know, 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from my fucking house there, bud. Beg pardon on the French language. You know, you just come bomb ass down this friggin' dirt road and suddenly it turns into a fucking logging trail. You know, you look at that shit, dude. Clampus just loves this shit. Just soaks up the bump something terrible. About eggs and shit. I'll be lucky to fuck if none of them break on the way home. Oh, buddy. Just kicking the shit out of my truck. God, I'm dumb. Stupider than fuck. Fucking topper's gonna fly right the fuck off the ass end because it's held down by like, you know, 3 aluminum clamps that are just fuck. Can't quite reach because it's a Ford topper on a Chevy. It's haunted. You see through my mossy ass fucking back window there, you see my topper bouncing separately than the rest of the fucking truck. There's like no bed floor hardly left in the Chevy because, you know, I got the light, you know, you got light to go, eh? Fuck, boys! Holy frig tarded. Just cacked over the whole road system. Oh, fuck. You should probably listen to the signs when it says, you know, like, road fucking closed there, dipshit.
Pace as hard as you can, just don't stop.
Road fucking closed,
So the shrink went up to the bull, and
Alright. Silent it. Fucking radio. Have a good night.